Good afternoon, this is Adam Tuyana with RJO Futures here in Chicago, coming to you the afternoon of Thursday, November 13th, 2013. Going to run down your futures markets in the soft commodities, starting out with the sugar, which last traded 1765. That's in the March contract. Puts sugar down 15 ticks on the day. We've had 8 straight consecutive sessions on the negative side for sugar, looking pretty bearish. I'm looking for a rundown in sugar to somewhere in the August highs, revisit 1750, 1760 in this area. Upside resistance is going to be 1855, while the downside support should come in at 1780. Moving over to cotton, last trade at 77.45. That's in the March contract. Very big day down 114 ticks on the day. Massive sell-off in cotton since early October, but it looks to be holding some support here in the 78 area, so it might be a little oversold. I'm looking for a sideways market for a little bit. Upside resistance 80.50 in cotton, while the downside support's going to come in around 77.64. Moving over to coffee, last traded at 105.90. That's in the March contract, puts coffee down 5 ticks on the day. Recent correction that we're seeing up to the 109.85 area, but looks to be selling back off, retreating from that area. It's got some pretty bearish fundamentals that have helped to move it to the downside. We haven't been at these coffee prices for about 4 years, so I'm looking for a continuation of this trend, which has been down. Upside resistance is 111, while on the downside, support's going to come in at 190, 10090. Finally, wrapping up with the cocoa, last traded 26.72. That's in the March contract. Also puts cocoa up 7 ticks on the day. We've seen a rally over the past few days, pretty aggressive. Looks to be holding support at 25.75. I'm looking for a rally back to revisit the 27.54 to 2800 area. Upside resistance 2700, while on the downside, support's going to come in at 25.75. Please keep in mind that futures and options on futures trading does present some risk. It is not suitable for all investors out there. Aside from that, have a bright, sunny afternoon.